Here's the fastest way to split screen mode on Samsung phones with One UI 8.5. Let's just say you have apps open already and you go into the recent view mode, whether it's with the touch buttons or navigation gestures. Then long press the app that you want to go into split screen, and you'll notice that if you pull it to the top or the bottom, it'll give you the option to drag here to open. And once you do that, you're going to notice it's in split screen mode, and whether it's to the top or bottom, you'll notice the opposite side would have the select apps, and whichever one you select will give you the split screen mode for both apps selected. Tapping in the middle will let you switch it over to top or bottom. And well, that's basically it for this guide here, and just bring it down all the way to the top or to the bottom to exit out one app and keep the other one in full screen mode. And of course, you can repeat it once again. Long press and either to the bottom, as you can see here, or to the top area here. And once you let it go, you get that split screen mode. And ladies and gentlemen, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub. Check out my other tutorials.